Medium and high voltage circuit breaker maintenance. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course covers inspection, maintenance, testing, and troubleshooting of medium and high voltage circuit breakers. Students learn best practices to ensure safe, reliable, and compliant operation of electrical distribution systems. What you'll learn. Students will learn the operation of air, vacuum, and SF6 circuit breakers, perform preventive maintenance through inspection and cleaning, and conduct tests such as contact, insulation, and timing checks. They will identify common failures, follow ANSI, IEC, and NETA standards, and apply these practices to ensure safe and reliable breaker performance. This course delivers theory with practical examples. Students gain the confidence to inspect and maintain medium and high voltage breakers safely and effectively. Who should attend? This course is designed for electrical engineers, technicians, maintenance staff, and anyone responsible for operating or maintaining medium and high voltage switchgear. This course comes with a medium and high voltage circuit breaker maintenance certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, 100-page electrical protection handbook, and a $100 coupon toward future EFTI training. Enhance your circuit breaker expertise and ensure system reliability. Register today for EFTI's MVHV circuit breaker maintenance training.